Stop by and take a look at the 2014 SRX. The Cadillac SRX is beautiful from every angle. For driving enthusiasts, there's track-tuned handling, advanced engine power, and the added confidence of available all-wheel drive. Luxury lovers will delight in the new stylish handcrafted cabin. And for technology lovers, the list of high-tech features is just too long to list and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated rear seats, power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.